Hi guys, planning on picking up a pre-owned Ford Explorer? I suggest you watch this video till the end. Hi guys, today we're looking at the Ford Explorer, and in case you're looking to pick up a pre-owned vehicle, I'll be giving you 7 reasons that will help you decide whether this SUV is for you. Reason number 1. For those of you who can only dream of winning a Range Rover Sport, this is as close as it can get. One cannot deny the sheer resemblance of the Ford Explorer with the Range Rover Sport, and you can get this with a price tag that won't make a hole in your pocket. Reason number 2. Loaded with many features. Although a base variant, this Explorer has everything you could ask for. Cruise control, automatic lights, a rear camera and parking sensor. Trust me, it's a must, especially since I just upgraded from a hatchback to a mid-size SUV, and having the sensors would make life much more easier, especially when maneuvering this SUV for starters. Reason number 3. Good infotainment. Although there is no Alexa, you have Ford's very own Sync, hands-free entertainment and vehicle information system to manage radio and phone call controls, which is quite impressive. When it comes to sound, it has a good sound system, which is very important for me on those long drives. Reason number 4. Third row passenger seats. I have sat in many mid-size SUVs, and among the lot, this is the best third row spacing. Given that I'm 6 feet tall, I would still be pretty comfortable here for this 3 to 4 hours drives before I would finally need to hop off and take that stretch. Reason number 5. Cargo space. This is the best cargo space on offer for a mid-size SUV. Planning on those long family trips? Look how accommodating the cargo space is. It easily takes a big pram and a stroller. The depth on offer here does the trick, which is lacking in most of its competitors. This would mean pile up those huge suitcases here and you won't have a problem closing that tailgate. Reason number 6. Safety. The Explorer comes with curtain airbags. Curtain airbags? Now what's that? Well, as the name goes, it inflates all across the windows to protect you just in case unfortunately there is a side impact or a rollover. Reason number 7. Capless fueling. Yes, you heard it right. Are you getting late for work? Rushing somewhere? Do you tend to forget closing the gas lid? Well, Ford has a solution with the Capless fueling system. Just refill and you won't have to bother of not closing that lid again. And as a bonus tip, if you happen to live in the UAE and if your Explorer is under 5 years and has been driven a little less, you might be lucky to have a service contract which is quite comprehensive, and this can be checked with the local dealership. Hope you found this video valuable, and if you liked it, please don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe.